Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Connie and I'm a pet portrait artist. Today I want to share with you my 3 top tips for creating realistic pet portraits. So top tip number 1 is to use the right surface. So my go-tos are the Colourfix paper smooth. I have a variety of colours, but the Magpie Art Spectrum come in a load of different colours, and I really love working with these. Now that is quite different to the Colourfix Original, which is used for soft pastels. So it's a lot more textured paper, and if you try and use pastel pencils on there, it will just shred them up. So make sure that you get the Colourfix Smooth and not the original. So the other paper I do enjoy working with as well, which comes in slightly different shades, is the Pastel Matte by Clairefontaine. So they both have similar texture surface, and both are suitable for use with pastel pencils. So on to my top tip number 2. Pastel pencils are all about layering. So the white paper that I just showed you can only hold so many layers of pencil. So it's super important to use light pressure and build up the layers slowly. So that means when you add a layer, press very lightly and build them up slowly. So I blend between each layer, so that's opposed to, say, pressing really hard. So I'll do this one up here. So rather than pressing hard in the tooth, just do very lightly, and then you'll be able to blend that together and add more layers. And that will allow you to create a pet portrait that has a lot more depth and therefore realism in it. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget the Patreon is about to go live, and you can join me there for a lot more in-depth tutorials all about pet portraits. So the link for that's below. And for my last tip today is to blend your colours and layers gently so you get some smooth transitions. So what I mean by that is, say, if we continue this ear here, I can add some light in with that dark in there. So it's not going to show up terribly well here because it's already a similar colour. So this one's just a test piece, so I'll use a blue. So if I do a light layer there, so to get a fur-like texture, I will then blend these colours together. And the way I do that is this particular, it's by Staedtler. It has a eraser pencil on that end, which I actually don't use, and this brush. So it works really well to blend that together. So, and I do that between every layer I do essentially. And then I might go over again, say adding some lighter fur in there, like that. Then I might go in with, say, a dark colour in between, and then I'll blend that again. So because fur doesn't look segmented like this, fur texture tends to be quite soft. So I find by blending the layers in between, you can get that soft effect. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out my Patreon, where I show you all about pan pastels this month. So thanks for watching.